If you've forgotten your Google Wallet password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Google Wallet app. Launch the Google Wallet app on your mobile device or go to the Google Wallet website on your computer. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, click on the Forgot Password link. This will take you to the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Google Wallet account. Make sure it is the correct one to receive the password reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Google with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you are redirected to the password reset page, enter a new password. Make sure it is strong and secure, then confirm it by entering it again. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Google Wallet with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.